Hi guys, welcome back to Food Travel Company. In today's video, we are introducing you to a new Middle Eastern dessert in Namma Bengaluru called kunafa. Kunafa is a traditional dessert from the Middle East made with fine semolina dough, also known as kataifi, soaked in sugar syrup and layered with cheese or clotted cream. Finally, they garnish it with finely chopped pista and nuts. Thanks to Kunafa World, we don't just get introduced to the world of kunafa, we get to taste 15 different varieties too. They offer crunchy as well as classic kunafas along with assorted mini kunafas and Nutella cone kunafas. We tried assorted mini kunafas in which they had given creamy kunafa, Nutella kunafa, nutty kunafa and caramel kunafa on a platter, and it was really yummy. And if you like chocolates, then Oreo kunafa, Snicker and Kit Kat kunafa will definitely make you excited. These melt-in-mouth kunafas, mildly sweet and enjoyable, is a perfect recipe for your dessert cravings. Please check out the description box for location details. Share this video with your family and friends. Thanks for watching this video. Have an amazing day.